Hi y'all, this is Natalie from Making Karma. The purpose of this video today is to show you best practices when installing Durock cement board on a shower wall.
Tile is only as good as the surface beneath it. Durock brand cement board is water durable, mold resistant, and provides a reliable foundation for tile installation projects. Follow these 4 steps to protect your investment. I want to show you the best way to do this. For a successful installation project, these are some of the tools that you'll need throughout the process of cutting, fastening, and joint filling. And as always, safety is important, so be prepared with a dust mask, gloves, and safety glasses. Durock is a name brand cement board manufactured by USG Corporation and is sold throughout the United States. Follow these 4 important steps so that you can enjoy your tile project for many years to come. Step 1, board thickness. It's recommended to use 1/2-inch thick cement boards on walls or ceiling, and 1/4 inch is suitable for flooring or countertops. Step 2, cutting. Score one side with a utility knife and a straight edge, snap it, and then cut the remaining mesh that's on the other side. To cut around pipes or other fixtures, you can use a scoring knife to score both sides and pop it out with a hammer. Otherwise, you can use a drill bit, but use proper dust protection. Be aware that it's not recommended to use power saws when cutting unless they are equipped with a dust collection device. Be sure to use proper dust protection. I personally don't recommend using a carbide bit scoring tool. It shreds the mesh and it just makes a mess. Plus, it's easy just to use a utility knife. Step 3, fastening. Rock-on screws are specially made for Durock boards and are corrosion resistant. Here is a guide to help you select the right length. They come with a T25 bit, which grips really easily onto the screw, so you can install it with a one-hand application. They don't shred the Durock board. A couple of nice features about this Durock board as well is that it comes with an edge guard, so it's less likely to break on the edge. On a wall application, ideally you'll be installing onto studs that are set 16 inches on center. You'll want to space out your screws about 8 inches apart. On a ceiling, you'll want to space them out about 6 inches apart. Be sure to leave about a 1/8 inch gap between the panel edges. Don't press them tightly together. Don't skip step 4, joint filling. Not doing this properly, or even worse, not doing it at all, can lead to problems down the road. After the boards are fastened to the studs, you'll need latex fortified mortar or type 1 organic tile adhesive and alkali resistant glass fiber tape. I'll show you. I'm using pre-mixed tile adhesive and a plastic putty knife I had laying around. Any flat edge or straight edge of a trowel can work too. Press mortar adhesive into the seams. Immediately embed alkali resistant glass fiber tape after filling the joints. Add more mortar adhesive to fill the tape and comb it flat, not leaving any chunks or high spots. I try to start from the middle and work my way out to keep the tape from sliding around. Again, do not skip step 4.
Quick tip. If you're short like me, carrying these boards, these 5-foot by 3-foot boards, is not necessarily easy. My wingspan doesn't allow me to comfortably carry these, so they make these carriers.
I walked you through the 4 easy but important steps when installing Durock cement board. If you like this video, click like and hit subscribe. Next week, I'll be posting about the waterproofing process on a shower wall. I'll be posting new videos every week, so click subscribe and stay tuned for renovation tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. This is Natalie from Making Karma. Have a great day.